Ito, natuto na sila mag-porcelain, no? Yung mga pinapainitan na. Pinapainitan na nila kaya
Natutulungan na nila.
nadodrawingan na.
Ang ganda.
Oo. Pero mahal na yan, no?
Oo.
Isang libo na yan.
Kasi ano na yan. Kung magplato. Eh yung mga
Million na to, no? Parang Arab joke dati. Nabasag daw sa museum yung isang ano ni Arab. Isang ganun, antique. Sabi ni ni Arab, oh, never mind, luma na yan eh.
hindi niya talaga alam. Hindi niya talaga alam.
Wala nagalit.
Okay lang yan. Mura lang yan. Luma na yan.
Hindi niya nakikita ang museum na kaya.
Ito, ang galing. Oo, ang tiles.
Stove, something like that.
Wala ba dito ano ni ano?
Vietnamese na lang mamaya. Kasi nag-ramen na tayo eh. Kasi ang big waist, sabaw din yun. Eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Oh, kahit saan. Po, yung po.
Oo.
Sky dance. Ano?
Alam ko sila. St. Peter.
Ang panahon talaga, no? Yan, no?
Kasi ito si Mama Mary.
Meron na silang Catholic.
Ano to si Mama Mary?
Mas ano sila yung mga maraming panang Catholic talaga.
Molded 16th century. Number
16th
10.
century pa ito.
Saan na number 10 dyan? Saan na number? Ito pala. Number 10. Ito.
Okay.
Hindi-
Na mold
Grabe
siya
na pala.
16th century pa.
16, ito 15 to 79. 16th century. No?
Luma na yan kahit mag-crack na.
Luma na yan. Sabi,
Sabi nga ni Erp, oh, it's okay, kasi
luma na yan.
Visit. Walang kaalam ano St. John the Baptist pala.
Oo nga.
Ano siya?
St. John, 15th century. Sa Florence, Italy.
Sa Italy. More on Italy yung ano talaga. Yan, no? Italia.
Kasi sa Italy, di ba ganyan?
Oo, diba?
Mahilig sila sa museum dito. No? Puro museum. Pina-preserve talaga nila. Ito mga tiles, so ginawa nilang
Park, ano?
art.
Park, yeah.
Kung titignan mo, parang puwet.
Oo nga, ano yan?
Ano ko nga,
Chef. Siyang
Tam Irving Sims.
workshop, 2 display cases.
Ceramics, no?
Bawal ang mga puzzle. Ay, Tom figure. John. Ano ko? Ano to? Ecuador.
Back stove. Tile technology.
Oh, tutunog pala to pagka may kumuha. Hindi may kumuha yun. Yung sensor.
Bawat type na picture.
Hindi. Fossil? Parang, yan. Hmm. Kaya na madilim eh. Eh, doon tayo sa ano, pinuntahan nila. Ano? Aha? Ano? Picture ka? Mm. Ito yung mga ano, bank yung ginagamit nila. Mga isda. Ah. Sa pine tree. Ito, hirap nito. Basket naman ito. Parang hinabi.
Marami sa Quiapo yan.
Oo. Mura lang yan.
Mataba.
Matyatsyaga sila. Eh kasi wala talaga silang paglilibangan eh.
Hindi naman sila nag-aaral. Kito.
Pero ano na sa kanila yan dati. Yung prestige na. Parang mga cellphone na model na gano'n.
Shit, diba? Doon tayo sa kabila.
Ano?
Improve your lifestyle and whatnot.
I try to think of like the broader context of what was happening at this time. It's a time of large scale dispossession of our territories, of our waters, and that facilitated the growth of a city like Vancouver. You know, it was the lumber and fish that came from our territory that was, in essence, decimated to build up this city, right? And it all happened in such a rapid amount of time that our territory was just so dramatically transformed.
Where did the money actually come from? It came from cutting down trees, from overfishing. It came from the removal of our jurisdiction over those lands and territories and the exploitation of those lands. And then what, it was handed back to us so that we could then help propagate what the nation state is?
It doesn't matter if it's 1906 or 2024. I feel like when we go out in public in our area, then we go, wow, we still to this day are in the curiosity. Darn right we're out of it.
The common theme throughout these photos is that there's moments of performance or display, or maybe are read that way, and I can't help to see these as moments of profound mistranslation in terms of what I would imagine our ancestors were doing and how they were understanding themselves in these encounters, as opposed to how white people or political officials would see these moments, you know?
This was my favorite find, walking totem poles.
The Spencer Parade, that was one of the biggest parades. These were not First Nations people wearing these costumes at all. It really had nothing to do with First Nations themselves. I mean, they adopted the totem as part of BC's heritage, and that's about it.
So what you see there
Indian village.
are totem poles, which we don't have in our culture. Presenting to the general public, this is what these Indians are all about in this territory. The house design is up coast design, it's not ours. The totem poles are not ours.
Totem poles became a symbol of this part of the world. It became something that a lot of our people did do. They started carving totem poles, and it was for trade, because it was another way to survive.
When you see totem poles and teepees and these sort of like caricatures of indigeneity, it's like a dissonance because this even Vancouver and the provincial and federal government, they were actively erasing our presence and our connection and severing the ties that we have with these places and with each other.
This was Andrew Paul, a very well-known lawyer and advocate for First Nations people across Canada. He made connections right across Canada, you know, meeting other First Nations leaders. He knew what he was talking about because he knew the law. He knew how to speak to white people, and he spoke respectfully and strongly against how they had broken their own laws, and not just a thing.
Huh?
Punta tayo dun sa mga fossils.
Oh, fossils.
My grandfather came down to meet the Queen.
Parang pahalo mo. Yung Jurassic Park. Oo.
Oh, mali mo nga.
Yung para maskara siguro.
Parang festival nila, no?
Festival mo yung
Yung bangka na-preserve na yun.
O, yun, no? Ito, no? Lumang bangka. Ano ba ito, no? Buti hindi pinapasok ito, no? Chinaksa. O, ano?
Hindi lang natin alam.
Yan, ano to? Ayun. Ito.
Minsan meron kasi mga naman.
Oh, laman. Ayun nga. Mga ano nila, print. Painting. Print.
Kaya mga baso-baso, maganda.
Oo, iba-ibang ano nila.
Asan mo siya?
Sino? Yung speakers? Pitbull na. Ah, yung ano. Pandasal nila.
Ano yun? Saan ka magpa-park pag nag-car tayo? Ano ba? Saan sila? Nulog sila.
Ano, tignan natin. Sandali. Hindi tayo. Hindi ko ano gusto. Kaya, ano? Mamaya pag-apon. Mas pictures oh. Ano. Binibenta pala to. Mahal.
North Park. Pwede mo bang gamitin yung paglipat natin ng park day? Okay. Yeah, kitchen. Yeah, we can go.
Yung payong ito. Ito sa ibabaw. Ito sa ibabaw.
Isa pa, no?
Isa pa?
Ito, nasa, naka, ano na.
Okay.
Reach.